color. Blue color. I draw carrot. C for carrot. Tomato. T for tomato. I learn vegetables. Draw and paint. C for cucumber. I draw cucumber. Now for lettuce. I draw lettuce. Next vegetable is broccoli. B for broccoli. B for bell pepper. Let's paint red color. C for carrot. Red carrot. Green leaf. Tomato. T for tomato. Tomato color is red. Next vegetable is, you guess? Oh, cucumber. C for cucumber. Cucumber color is green. Next vegetable is lettuce. Lettuce color is white. B for broccoli. Broccoli color is light and dark green color. Do you like all vegetables? If you like, so please like my videos and subscribe. Next vegetable is bell pepper. Bell pepper color is green. Wow! Let's repeat learn. C for carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C for carrot. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. T for tomato. Next vegetable is cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. C for cucumber. Next vegetable is lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce. L for lettuce. Next vegetable is broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-E. Broccoli. B for broccoli. And next vegetable is bell pepper. B-E-L-L. Bell. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. Bell pepper. B for bell pepper. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. Bye bye.